The remote is. Oh, there you
Are you okay? Can you see the slide now?
are.
Yes.
Okay, come on, Ruth, read it.
How was he famous?
Oh, wait, not this one.
Oh, I can.
Who is?
Who is Pablo?
Picasso.
Pablo Picasso. He is a very famous artist who likes to make portraits of people with a different look. He was born on um 25 October
Wait.
1981. He
Everyone.
Okay, come on, continue.
founded the publishing. I don't know how to read that.
No time.
What?
Happy birthday. Just a
Which one? Which one?
Art.
Ya, sudah. Itu loh, suruh.
One.
He helped make cubism painting more famous by making more and more paintings using cubism.
Okay, all right. At that time, actually, Pablo Picasso and his friend, I forgot the name, he just co-founded the Cubism art style, yeah, which is making something like using cube, okay, cube style, something like that. Yeah.
Why you never have a background?
Oh, it's okay. I don't really like to use background. Okay, this one, Kakak Alitia, can you help me to read this one?
How was he famous? He was famous because he co-founded the art of cosmism.
Cubism.
He helped make cosmism
Q, Q,
famous.
Q.
Cubism famous
Throughout
throughout
the
the
world.
world. He made very unique and cool pictures, paintings, and portraits.
Yes, he becoming famous, yeah, at that time. All right, now, Ivo, help me. Read this one louder.
His paintings are very cool and unquestionable.
Unique.
Some people may find it scary, but it is because it is very unique and different. For other painting, he likes to use cubism to make it look very interesting. It can be painted on rocks too.
See that on the rocks too, yeah? We can.
I ever do that.
You ever do that? You ever did that? Oh,
Why
cool.
did the name herself? Wow.
All right, just for your information, that Picasso's painting in the Middle East, we call it the weeping women, the women which is crying, and then he just turned the picture into a unique way how to draw people, yeah. And so sometimes people say that this one is like a dilemma. It's like something like a mirror, yeah. So that he just draw the face with two sides. Sometimes it's happiness, sometimes it's representing the sadness, something like that. And you know what, the price is really 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 expensive. Even you maybe cannot buy it because it's really takes a lot of hundred thousands dollar maybe. I don't know. Right, this one, did he do other things besides painting? Yes, actually he produced some poem, and then yeah, something like that, yeah. And this is what is cubism. Okay, cubism is one of the most significant art movement of the 20th century. It began in France about 1907 and flourished from 1910 through the 1920s. It was pioneered by George Braque and Pablo Picasso. George Braque and Pablo Picasso are friends, very,
Wow.
very close friends.
Wow. Just wow.
And then it called cubism because the item represented in the artwork look like they are made of cubes and
Yeah.
other geometrical shapes. Okay, let's start to produce one nice cubism art. Okay, I want you to prepare your paper now. We're going to stop.
Cubism is cubism.
Yeah,
Huh?
okay, I'm going to stop sharing this one, and we go to my
Mr. Ali, just put on the background.
what?
Before you just wrote the paper, it was like a blink
Oh, what's up?
so queen. It was like a very nice blink.
Okay, I want you now, please first.
There. Why are you so weird?
What happened?
Hmm. Hmm. I'm still thinking. Hmm.
All right,
Oh,
let's start now.
boy.
Oh, what's happened with my video? I cannot open it. Okay. Now
Hmm.
I want you guys to fold the paper into two.
Okay.
Fold the paper into a half like this. Please,
This?
yeah, please fold your paper into a half because we do not want to wasting so many papers.
Like this?
Yeah. All right. I want you to work very fast, yeah, because this one need a lot of effort to do it. Okay. I want you to cut it first. I don't need some
Pakai yang
paper. I can use my own hands. You know what? The key how to uh, cut this one very, very straightly and very tidy is this one. You need to push this area very, very hard like this. Yeah. Just make sure that this one is folded very hard and then you can just cut it using your own hand and it will be much more easier than before. Right? We're going to start with this one first. We will draw one face.
Oh, wait. Wait, I'm not yet ready.
Okay.
For me, I'm using scissors. They are the best.
Yeah.
I really don't understand this time.
Okay, you may try to draw something like this first.
What is that? It's a face. You know,
Uh,
everyone calls a face.
Yeah, be like this one, and then don't forget to draw the ear.
It's very big.
You know, right? How to draw the face, but this one is a little bit more cubism.
Done. It's
Yeah.
so done.
Done? Then you can draw maybe the hair.
Can I draw
Yeah.
a girl?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can draw a girl. I also draw the girl. This one. Right. Don't
I want
forget.
to make the hair more smooth because I don't want it to be like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Up to you. Up to you guys. Come on, draw the face only big. Yeah, in one small paper like this. Okay. Now, Mr. I will draw the hair.
The hair.
Like that.
I'm gonna make the hair like this long.
Yeah, it looks really normal now, but wait, we're going to turn this one into some wizard face. I want to make it more more weird. Yeah.
Don't worry,
Okay.
I've got this. Don't
Right.
worry.
I'm going to draw the eyebrow like this, and then I'm
Wow.
going to draw
Very
the
eyes
that.
like that.
Yeah, this is the eyebrow, and then probably this one is the nose, and this is the another eyebrow.
Why is it? Why is? Well, you are a good artist. That's because you're a teacher.
Yes, Ivo, I learned a lot. I practiced a lot. I felt a lot. until I get my momentum. Okay, now you need to draw the eyes like that. And then draw another eyes on this area, please.
Did you not notice? I spent 2 years as jumping up and down in some puddles and also going out to play in the rain.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, you may draw the eyes in the middle like this, make it more alive. And then let it go.
Looks very beautiful. It doesn't look very silly.
Yeah,
I feel like I just have to copy you because I don't know how to do this by myself.
draw the
It's
eyes
okay.
like this. Are you drawing the eyes now, Ruth?
Yes, I am.
All right, now you can draw the mouth. Yeah, the mouth is easy. It's like a mountain, like volcano mountain like this.
Why is the eye? Why is the eyelash is so big and long?
Yeah, it's okay. In Picasso style, everything is possible. There is no right or wrong. Everything is, yeah, it's okay. Now you just need to draw the mouth like that. You can make this one as a boy or as a girl. Okay, I want you to draw.
Can you actually draw like a real life person? Ew.
Yeah, like that. I'm going to draw the body here. It's a bit weird, the body like that, right? And I'm going to make this one as a girl. I'll make this one
It's
as a
like ours.
mm.
It looks very silly.
Right. After that, you're going to work with another paper. Draw another object. Okay.
I made this one so funny until I don't know how it is.
Yeah. Don't throw it. It's okay. Everything is okay. People, don't throw it. Yeah. We don't want to wasting paper because paper is made from tree and tree is very very worth for our life. Okay. Now draw another one, please.
Are we going to draw like humans?
Yeah. Human face first with a
Can
knife.
I make the human a little bit realistic, but I cannot do it.
Oh, just follow Mr. R first, okay? Later you can modify
Nom, nom,
your
nom.
own or make your own version,
I'm
right?
gonna draw a side ponytail like this.
Yeah.
You're good
Come
on.
on, Kakatia and Ruth. Ruth, I think you need to buy the big marker instead of
And
the
don't forget me.
yeah, big marker is really really easy to handle. And then
Very beautiful.
yeah, the marker that you use, Ruth, sometimes it's really really annoying because it melted when we touch the wet area. Okay. Now, as usual, you need to just draw the hair first. Just make it like that. You can use your own, yeah. And then for this one, I'm going to make it a little bit more weird, like that.
What is it now?
Yeah, I will just put the eyes, this one, and some eyes maybe at bottom here, like that. Actually, it's up to you guys. Just try to explore and don't worry. No need to think. No need to be worried about the composition, about the
Nothing is perfect, all right? Nothing is perfect.
yeah. And this time is for this is a good time for us to explore and to not thinking like any others person. I mean, not to think normally. We just need to explore. Some of your logic may be questioning why that the eyes is at the bottom like this, Mr. R. Why that it doesn't look balanced? Okay, now we don't need to uh discuss it.
Very, Mr. Al, your tongue is very pretty.
Okay, I'm just trying to make it more interesting by doing something like this. And then, yeah.
I kind of sort of make the hair a little bit different.
Mm-mm.
Huh? What? So I have to draw the nose like that. It
Yeah.
looks a little bit silly, but don't worry, everything is okay.
Equal this you put your hands up. Now put your hands down.
No worry, I got this. I got this.
Okay, now you can decorate it. Decorate it using your own imagination. Maybe.
My imagination is I want to make it silly.
Oh, cool. Okay then.
Oh,
Make
not
it
good.
guys.
It's very.
Maybe you just put some line over here and line over there.
I'm gonna make one very beautiful, but it's a little bit
Yeah,
silly.
you may also try to draw some line, which is not make sense actually, but in Picasso style, everything is okay, even if it is not balanced or yeah.
This one is gonna be. Come on. This one is gonna be the mother, and the other one is gonna be the child.
Now you can also divide it. Yeah, it can be like a mosaic or maybe some kind of yeah, cubism, which is
I'm gonna make the hair super
yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
with some lines, and lines.
Right now it's time for
Yeah.
us to color it. Okay. Wow, we just need
Yay,
to make
got it.
a face like using Picasso style,
What are we going to color? Prepare.
right? Remember, we need to work very fast. I want you to color everything faster, please, because we're going to present and everybody needs to present. I want you to learn how to talk.
Present or presents. Presents, I think. Here.
All right, I'm going to get my watercolor first. I mean my paintbrush. Wait, you can start to color. Okay, you don't need to wait for me.
This one looks a little bit bold. It kind of looks like Baldy.
You know, it looks like Minecraft. You know, I love Minecraft so much because Minecraft, you know, I have so many food in my house.
Look, did you not notice something? I killed 165 mobs.
All right, Ivo.
This is a mob.
Ivo, what do you think about drawing using Picasso style? Is it make sense?
It's very okay.
How about you, Ruth?
Not okay.
What do you think about this picture, Ruth? Is it hard for you to draw people face not I mean imbalance?
And then if I show some reaction, then it means I am awesome.
How about you, Alithia? What do you think of using Picasso style?
Storm again.
Really unique.
Very unique, yeah. Is it hard? Yeah. Okay, everybody, come on. I want you to learn how to work faster. I know this one is a little bit more hard. Just divide the face into some.
He's shy.
Yeah, you can use any color you like. Yeah.
Any color we want.
Yes, any color you
No,
want.
use like brown.
Please, Mr. Al is. Oh, don't forget to make it more colorful. Please don't be too lazy to use more color.
Don't worry, I'm not lazy.
Good, because last time I already sent you the movie about the lazy kids, which makes everything becoming yeah. Oh, the liar kid, where she cannot stop lying, and then
By the way, it rained it every day, and thunderstorms come every day.
yeah, it's okay. It's good, right?
I like thunderstorms.
Yeah,
They're just loud noise.
you know what, Ivo? Some kids are scared of thunderstorm, and then you do not scared. It means that you're very brave, and that's
Yeah, at the very beginning I was scared, but now I am brave.
What do you think, Alicia, about the storm? Are you scared of storm also?
No, they are such silly loud noise.
Okay, remember, yeah. Mr. Al
I'm
asked
not
you
afraid
to
of
talk.
storm because it's so relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's also so relaxing.
Mr.
It
Al
makes
asking
me
you.
so sleepy.
Okay, Mr. Al asking you to talk. It doesn't mean that you stop working. You can talk, but your hand is still moving. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, Ivo and Ruth, come on, don't be too late. I want you to be the first one. I want you to be the risk taker who can finish your work on
What does
time.
that even mean?
Okay. If
What
you can
does
work
free
faster,
theater mean?
yeah, if you can work faster and then you keep on going with your hands moving,
Come on. Like do it.
yeah, here and there, I think that I'm quite sure that you will finish this one on time. Okay. Okay, just focus on one. If you cannot make the other one, maybe you can. That will be your homework, and you have to show it to me next week.
Draw with the boy one.
By the way, do you know why I named myself Happy Valentine's Day, everyone?
Why?
Because it's almost Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah. All right, let's go. I like Valentine's Day. Sometimes some kids giving me some chocolate candy, something like that.
Some, some cute little eyes.
Mm-mm.
I am just so excited.
Are you excited?
Let's have a sleepover tonight with Aletea and her friend Giovanna.
Oh, wowie.
We're gonna have a sleepover. Prepare the list. I don't know what is the list.
So, I think I know. My friends, but my friends are two. So that's just less.
I
Ruth,
like
Ruth,
colors.
why your audio is too low? I mean, we cannot hear your voice. Ruth. What happened with it?
Ahem.
Probably something happened to the computer, Ruth. You may ask your daddy to fix it.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
I love your drawing.
I want to also start with the
It is very beautiful.
Very, very beautiful. Actually, beautiful is a powerful word.
Mozart is so relaxing.
Yeah.
I
That's
just want
why
to
the
sleep.
hard lesson is to release all of your stress, and then I want you to enjoy it.
Love your Buddha.
And then don't complain, Mr. Al, I'm too lazy to follow this one. Or
You have to do it faster.
yeah, do it faster, please. Come on, we have so many things to do today.
Satu kali serutut gitu loh. Ya,
So big.
All right.
kasih hitam
If
harus
you
hitam.
guys need some help, maybe you want Mr. Al to repeat it again from the beginning to draw it, please let me know, okay? I will be so happy to help you guys.
Nanti puter-puter tuh.
Okay.
All right, like this. What else?
Mozart is so beautiful.
What, Mozart?
Yeah.
Mozart is a musician, right?
By the way, I like when classical music in Mozart is so making me sleepy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yellow. It's still a good choice.
Okay, I think I'm done with one.
I want to use lime.
Okay, I'm going to draw another thing, another one, which is the boy.
I'm gonna have a lipstick.
Mm,
Everyone knows that you need lipstick so you look very fancy.
yeah, girls like to use lipstick.
I love fancy, alright?
Okay, how is it?
Yeah, I know.
Alicia, do you have any questions so far?
Yes.
No, I'm asking Alicia. Alicia.
No, I'm
Okay.
just doing like this right now.
Yeah, okay. Just enjoy the process, okay? No need to be worried about something imbalance or why that this one is not balanced and why that this is the time for us to explore even when we are doing mistake like this.
Explore the world.
Yeah. Let out.
Explore your life.
You know what? The
Some
thing that
people say
makes
you have to explore.
yeah, the thing that makes art becoming a nice and relaxing activities because we decide whatever
Art,
we
art,
want
art,
to draw, right?
art, so beautiful.
We decide whatever we want to
Oh
draw
God.
in art. That's why art is really, really relaxing. You don't-
Oh,
How is it, Ruth? Do you have any problem? You need my help? What can I help you?
no,
Oh, cool.
no.
Yeah. Guys, if you have any problem, it's okay to say it. Okay, it's okay to say your problem with your mommy or your daddy.
I have a question.
Why? What is the question?
Have you ever told a funny joke?
To who?
Joke. The one,
Yeah,
the one that makes funny words. The thing.
yeah, to who? I mean,
I
you,
have 165 jokes.
you have it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
I
Once again,
like.
it's okay to share your problem with somebody, yeah, especially with your mommy or your daddy. Okay. If you think that you have a headache because so many homework to do, or maybe you have a stomach because your belly is a little bit hurt, you have
Ouch.
you have to say it because sometimes when you say it, we just exchanging the problem solving together. That's why I always ask you, hi Ruth, do you have any problem? It means that I want to hear and maybe we can solve it together, yeah?
You have to solve it together with your mind.
Yes. No, with your mom and your daddy also. Okay.
No, I'm saying not. I'm not saying like your mind in your head.
Mhm.
Your mom, not your mind. All
But
right.
it's your mind. Sorry. Wow, we are working very fast, yeah? This one is
I'm so fast. I can't even
this
slow
is
down.
my second work now. Wow, I'm so
So
impressed.
fast. Ooh. I don't want to waste my time.
Yeah, you sound like Applejack.
No, I watched a channel and I matched the voice.
Or shall I say you sound like a cowboy?
Dude, can you change your name to Happy Valentine's Day to Ifo because I said it to everyone.
Okay then. Wait a minute. It's not in the chat.
No, not in the chat. Your name. Your name, not the chats.
Happy in the chat.
Yeah. No, not in the chat. Your name.
Fine. Happy. Ha. Wait.
Happy Valentine's to Ifo. Don't forget my name. Everyone celebrate me.
Valentine.
Did you remember I said when I said you have to do the laughing challenge or the thing? I forgot.
Enter.
Pink. Yes, pink. Oh, it's getting really hot.
Our name is our colors. Our letter is the same in the color thingy. Mine is orange. Yours is purple.
Rush, rush, rush.
H.
All you gotta do is just rush. Because we have to do it so fast until I don't know how fast we have to do.
I don't know. Slowly.
Mistral.
Yeah. How is it?
Well, I have to explain something.
What is that?
Well, I made a very special card for everyone. Whoever I pointed to, where is it? You know, funny. Whoever I pointed to, they will feel thank you. Wait, hold on. Ma, where's my card? Explain to my beautiful.
What is that? Oh, nice. Are you working with the crayons, that one? With the black paper? Oh, yeah. Who taught you that one? Who taught you to create a Valentine's greeting card? Oh, you made it by yourself? Oh, cool. Where you get the idea, Ifo?
I get the idea from a black paper and crayon and then stick some paper and then boom, that's my idea.
Okay then. Yeah. All right then. All right, are you done, everyone? Come on, rush, rush, rush. We don't have much time.
Rush, rush, rush.
We need to produce two work at the same time, and then we're going to display it in the one big paper later on. Okay, now you need to cut it. Okay, I'm going to find some scissors first, and I'm going to cut it. Wait.
We have to leave the white space.
All right,
But not on the human.
I'm starting to cutting now. Come on. Remember, sometime there is a time for us for everything, yeah? I mean that there is a time for us to
I am done.
there is a time also for us to work. So when we work, sometimes
I'm done.
we need to keep our mouth. Yes, okay. Cut it, please. Or just wait for dry. You can work with another paper.
Or maybe I can just blow it, but don't lose my breath.
Okay.
I don't know how to lose my breath.
You just want what? Your breath?
Ah! Why do I always never look up and down and down and up? What? I always lost things.
Okay, I want you now to cut all the lines tidily because we're going to work with another paper, yeah, after this. Wait.
Yes, another paper. I love papers. They're made out of trees, right?
Mm-mm. Kakak Alithia, if you want to talk, just talk, okay?
Uh,
Feel free discuss about everything.
God.
Yeah, discuss everything that is you think that it is very cool to be discussed. Okay.
Please don't cut it, please. Okay,
Yeah,
Bill.
as you notice that this club, this art club is not always about the arts. I want you also to speak.
The art is very realistic.
Yeah, I want you to speak also to practice your English. Okay, but not to know the action. Have
I'm
you
gonna
good?
find a stone.
Yeah, good job. I can see that Ruth nowadays is becoming more calm and more focused on the work. That is a good idea. Good job, Ruth. Now, Ruth, you used to be the last one. I want you to catch up everything, work very fast, and
Careful. Everyone be careful with the scissor. You might cut some of the thing that you have painted.
yeah, that's why we need, for the cutting process, we need to work very slow. Yeah, we don't need some good.
Oh, like a turtle.
We don't need to rush for the cutting. For the painting, yes, you may work with the flash mode
Yeah.
like that. Very fast. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to put my paint on this paper like this. Okay, but
I don't like it, but I think it's a beautiful.
yeah, all right. I'm going to put my paper on my painting on one paper like this. But the problem is the paper is very clean. I don't want it. I want to put some abstract styles, paint
Mama
behind.
calls magma. I magma style. I love magma style. Sometimes you can be slow or fast. It's just the sign. Please don't be worse. Yes, it's completed. It's not very good, but it's my hard work. Processes. Wait, not. Whose phone is that?
Mine. Sorry.
Why didn't you silence it the whole entire time?
Yeah.
After the class started.
How is
Ouch.
it? Ruth, you want to say something? Maybe you want to share some problem you have.
I am such in a hurry.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. I'm not going to disturb.
Don't need to rush with the cutting part, alright?
Yeah, when you cut a little bit more slow, it's okay.
If you don't, then you're gonna hurt your finger.
Yeah. No. Sometimes it's hurt also our hands.
Nope. Okay, I think I'm done. Yes, I'm not a good artist.
Wow, nice. Okay. Before you stick it on your paper, Ivo, I want you to create one more time the what we call it the geometric abstract thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm sorry that we some
I'm
this one is some kind like we are repeating. If I'm not mistaken, this one is we learned it uh since 5 months ago, but it's okay to repeat it again one more time. Okay, Ivo, I want you to draw, yeah, geometric, please, any kind of shapes or
Can I also draw cubes?
Yeah, you can draw cube, you can draw wavy line.
I can draw anything I want.
Yeah,
This is your paper and I am inside it.
okay, cool.
Mm, Bacons. Yes, I will draw bacon.
Okay, draw any abstract geometric shapes. I know
I'm
that.
gonna draw like the inside of the bacon.
Mm. Oh, this one is like a Piet Mondrian style also. So it combines Piet Mondrian and Picasso's painting. Yeah. All right. I'm going to color it. Wow. Wow. So fast.
Tidak semuanya.
All right.
Loh, ada yang gini, ada yang gini.
I can have any color I want. Or
Yes.
just my title. I have to have like you, but I can have any shape I want.
Yeah. You can choose any shape or color you like, guys.
I like wavy lines. I like bacons.
Okay. For the background, you don't need to cover everything with your paint. Just some of the objects. I don't want you to be very stressed because you need to do a lot of things this evening. All right, for the background, basically this one is only like supporting elements of our painting. Yes, correct, good. I mean, Ivo, yeah, create,
Which brush should I use?
you can create some compilation of a wavy line or something like that.
I'm gonna use red.
Okay, you don't need to use so many colors for your background. It's only to make you guys.
165 colors.
Okay then.
Carefully, carefully. I'm very slow because I need to make sure there is no mistakes. No. Going a little bit faster is more easy.
Right, guys, you may try any other colors. Please feel free to use, yeah, to use the colors. No need to ask for my opinion. I just need to always like supporting you guys, whatever you want to use.
Ya, ya, ya.
Color you
Yeah.
want to use. Okay, I think I'm done with the background. See that my background is not full of colors. It's only like a little bit.
Wait,
And then I'm going to stick this,
Mr. Hal,
yeah, yeah.
my hands are a little bit tired.
You tired? Okay, Ivo, it's okay, it's okay. I know that this one is very hard.
I
Yeah.
am in your drawing.
Yeah, if you are tired, you don't need to color your background. You just stick the the picture, the picture of the face of
You cannot see me in the paper because I'm so small.
okay, stick it on your paper, on a new paper, please. All right, Ivo, stick it on the new paper, please. Then we're just creating a really nice Picasso's abstract painting. How is it? You wanna present yours, Ivo? Are you done?
Done.
Not done? Yeah, it's okay. Just enjoy the day. You wanna sing something with Mr. Al? You wanna sing some song? Maybe, Ivo? Maybe we can duet together. Frozen song. Ivo already give up. I think you're already tired. Yeah, your face is changing now, Ivo. You do not look enthusiastic again. Then. Okay, I will sing a song for Ivo. Yeah. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Oh my God, my voice, I don't know how to change it. I really want to be a good singer. How? Ivo, please teach me how. Kakatia, please teach me.
From painting.
Yeah, teach me how to sing, please. Okay. If you do not want to teach me, I will keep on singing then.
Make sure you have to remember nothing is perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Not a voice.
Don't worry, that is always in my mind. I will always remember that things. I will not force people to work beyond their limitation like that.
Kalau tombok-tombok gini gimana caranya?
Okay, wait, I'm going to go down for one. Wow, roots are now still on painting the object, yeah. All right, I give you some tips, all right? If you want to add some object, like a line or some decoration on your painting, yes, you can. For example, like this. I'm going to put polka dots on this one, dot, like this. Or maybe a line on this area, a wavy line. Yeah, actually, Picasso style really uh, promoting a lot of creative way on how to make your paintings more cool. Okay, Mr. I'll put some zigzag line on this area. Remember, you need to be very creative, guys. So we combine the Picasso style using our own style. Maybe some straight lines on this area. Wow, this one is becoming like pop art. It's becoming like a pop art painting. Wow, Ruth are very diligent. Yes, Ruth. Good job. Okay, for this special moment, I'm going to sing song for Ruth. Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. What?
Voice is valid like like did it?
Yeah, my voice is like, you know what? the wolf, when the wolf getting hit by the car, that will be like that. The wolf like ah, atau wolfnya kejepit kakinya, itulah suaranya Israel, something like that. Oh, wolf kejepit kakinya karena kejepit pintu, like that. My voice is like the wolf who's getting stuck at the door. Kakinya kejepit. Atau enggak buntutnya kejepit. Ah!
Even my mom also laughed.
Iya. Karena emang suara Mr. A itu merdu banget. Semua orang pada minta tanda tangan Mr. A kalau Mr. A nyanyi. You know? Mr. A, can I get your signature please? Oh yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah. And then, you know what? All the kids are gathering in my house like,
Did it again.
yeah, and Mr. A, please sing some song for us, please. And then I sing for them and they give me some chocolate. And suddenly, my daughter just wake me up. Pa, bangun. Oh, ternyata aku mimpi. I'm just dreaming.
Can you make the wolf that accidentally stuck the thing to whatever it's called?
What? Can you what?
Can you do that screaming again?
Screaming? Like, oh, like that?
No, it's like into the end.
Okay, I will do it very, very quickly and very, very professionally. Yeah. You know what? I'm actually a professional singer and I'm going to sing that song really, really beautiful. Okay. Don't close your eyes. This one is, don't close your ear. This will be the most epic moment that you ever hear. Okay, ready? Into the unknown. I'm using my vibra, you know. Into the unknown. Into the just like you told me last time, Ruth, that I need to use my vibra in my tongue like that. So I'm using now. I'm practicing. Into the unknown. It's so hard.
Like that.
How? How is it?
Into the end.
Oh, like that. Okay. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. So hard.
Mr. Al, you sound like the outside to the unknown, like the cat that breaked at the scream.
Like the
I
cat.
remember when me and Ruth watched it. That.
Yeah, my voice, you know.
Do you remember it?
Remember what?
It was so funny.
Yeah. You know, my friend said that my voice is like the cats getting hit by the car. Like that.
Ruth, remember when we watched Elsa Into the Unknown, like the voice of a cat, which is like Mr. Al's voice, and then it breaks at the scream.
Yeah. It's very. I'm happy to see Evo's keep on smiling again because a while ago Evo's face is like, you're so boring with something and you don't want to continue your work. That's why I'm trying to entertain everybody to laugh and then to focus on the work.
I'm focusing with my work. Don't worry. I'm still happy, all right?
Yeah. Ivo, your mommy said that you can dance very well. Is that true?
Yes, and sometimes no.
You can dance?
Yes.
Oh, can you show us this next time maybe? Or maybe after you're done with that?
I'm very shy.
Don't be shy, please. People know that Evo are very talented. Don't be shy. Mr. I can dance. Actually, you want to see me dancing?
Yes.
Yeah, dance. Yeah, wait. All
I
right.
can see you from your paper.
For my paper, Nola.
Your paper is very beautiful, even though it doesn't look good, but it's still nice.
Okay, I'm going to dance. Yeah, ready? Just watch me dance.
Don't make it bad like yesterday, okay?
All right, I will dance.
For what? Can you?
I can even do it like TikTok like that.
Can also do that.
No. I
Sorry,
cannot hold the funness.
I'm not good in dancing. Sorry. Yeah, I'm good in singing. You know, everybody knows that I'm very
Princesses
good.
don't dance like dance.
What? Oh, my is not very. Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, Ifo, dance for me, please. Ready? One, two, go.
Wait, hold on.
You can use some music.
No, no, not that. Not that. I don't want to show that. That's too embarrassing. All right.
Okay, I'm going to give you some song. Yeah, wait.
Maybe someone else.
Someone else?
Ouch. Ouch. Who would like to dance?
All right. Who wants to dance, please? I will give you the music.
Oh my God. It's all Zoe. Stop.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, even I can sing that song. Coconut nut. It's a
No, don't do it.
coconut nut.
Don't.
Coconut
Mr.
nut. Yeah.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah. Go. Don't forget to flush. Okay. How is it, Abba? Ruth? How is it, Ruth? Are you done? Oh, you're cutting now. Okay.
Good. You are have to dance because
Okay, next time Kakak Tia harus pakai pampers dia kalau ketawa takutnya tikus. Ya. And then Ivo, you also need to use your pampers now.
no. I can hold my breath for I forgot how many times.
See, I want to sing.
Yes, Ruth? How is it?
I want to sing.
You want to sing? Yeah, okay, Ruth. Ivo, please be quiet. Everybody, please be quiet. Okay, ready, Ruth? On five. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Ivo, where's your voice? I mean, Ruth. Ruth, I cannot hear you. Oh, maybe the computer is having a problem. Ruth, I cannot hear you. What's happened? Ruth?
Maybe it's because she's still working.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. But I think something happened with the computer, with the laptop. Ask mommy
Maybe
to buy a new laptop. Buy The expensive one. No, no. Oh, you dancing, Ivo? Nice. All right. Ivo, what's happened with the speaker? I cannot hear you. I know that you're singing something.
I didn't even sing something.
Okay, how about the song? What is the song?
I'm still stretching.
No, no, no. Some song came from the movie. What is the movie? The one that one man show, or what is that? Show, something like that. What movie is that? What is the movie?
Don't do it. It's so hard. Not for me.
Oh, The Greatest Showman. Do you know The Greatest Showman song? The Greatest Showman song. You just remember, guys?
No, no, no.
That one. Oh.
That's it.
Yeah. You just remember that song, Ivo?
No. It's
Okay,
just with the
Ivo, are you done? You want to present it? You want to
no.
present your work? Not yet done? Are you done, Ivo? Oh, you're trying to present your dance. Wow, that's really cool, man. That is like the masterpiece. Ivo, I want you to put it in the frame, a nice frame, and you can sell your painting. That's really cute. Yeah. Okay, you want to start now, Ivo?
Yep.
Ready? One, two, go.
Take a picture.
Oh, take photo first. Smile. I cannot see your face. Yeah, see. Okay, start now.
Hi, my name is Ifo, and this is what I have created. It's
What is that?
so I know it looks very nice. I know. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my different colors, and um, these are the colors that I want to use.
All right.
Even though you didn't told me to use it, that's okay.
Yeah.
And this is a triangle which is covered by the thing, the humantic thing. I don't know what is it called. And this is the giant human. I know. Look, it looks very weird. I know, but stop saying it's weird. It's very nice and it's weird.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Same time. And as you can see, if you already know how to draw shapes, that's very easy. But this is very nice shapes. Wow. And also,
Mm-hmm. What else?
the clothes look very beautiful. Not beautiful.
Okay. What else?
And I kind of sort of like the eyelash, but it's too big, and sometimes I don't like it.
And then can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson?
I learned how to make big eyelashes.
Okay.
That is so weird.
Yeah, and then?
Now I learned how to make shapes that
What?
do like Picasso.
Or Pablo Picasso. Anything else?
I learned how to make a giant lips.
Okay.
And that's
Okay. Ivo, what do you think that you can do to make your painting looks better in the future? What do you think?
in the future, I want to have 165 million colors.
Okay, to make your drawing looks beautiful, right?
Yep.
All right, Ivo, thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that you now becoming more better in terms of drawing the object and then the color scheme and all of the
I love drawing.
wow. I think your room becoming your gallery later when you grow up. Yeah. Now we have Ruth and Kakak
Oh,
Alicia.
right.
Is it? Are you done, guys? Kakak Alicia, are you ready to present? Don't let Mr. Al sing, please. If you do not want to present, I'm going to sing the coconut song. Okay. Kakak Tia, are you ready? Not ready, Mr. Al.
Wait, I want to show you my piano song.
Yeah, okay. Next turns. Now it's time for Kakak Alicia to talk. Kakak Alicia, are you ready? If you're not ready, I'm going to sing it for you then. Oh, nice.
Do you duet?
Do you what?
The this one?
Yeah, you need to stick it. Wow. That is very cool, Alicia. Coconut nut is a dream. It's not a nut. It's not.
Speaking of presenting, speaking of presenting,
Family. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah,
I need
yeah. That sounds really nice, I think. Coconut, 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 coconut.
Are you singing?
Yes, that song is really like stuck in my head. Coconut song is a giant nut.
We're doing the try not to laugh challenge, okay?
Okay. Try not to laugh challenge, yeah?
Oh no.
Ready,
But
yeah?
you have to sing silly songs and we have to try to not laugh.
Okay, if so, start. Mr. I will start. Please don't laugh. If you laugh, you need to drink a little bit water. Okay?
Oh,
We
you
sing
know.
silly songs.
Yeah,
Then
you can
you
eat
try to not
some chocolate
laugh,
a bit.
okay?
Okay? You have to drink water just a little bit if you laugh. Ready? I'm going to sing a song.
Want something?
You can smile, but don't laugh.
Yeah.
Like this? Okay. Like this? Okay.
Coconut, coconut nut is a giant nut. Is a nut you get very bad. Nut, nut is a nut. Get coconut is a coconut. Is a coconut. Is a coconut. Ah, that's very hard. Ivo ketawa, Ivo kalah. Ivo harus minum air putih sedikit. Okay. I
I'm
will.
juggling myself.
Oh, if you smile, it's okay. If you like this, it's for her.
Okay. Okay then.
Mm. I love drinking.
Okay, I think I can't remember now the song, yeah. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you will get very fat. The coconut It's a big, big nut, but the big nut is not a nut. The cocoa fruit is the cocoa tree. All the cocoa tree, all the cocoa tree from the cocoa farm family. So harsh. Oh my god. Okay, one more time. Are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house of the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If the cut the
Wow.
get the fruit. Is the cocoa fruit. Is the cocoa fruit. Of the cocoa fruit. Of the cocoa fruit. From the cocoa farm family. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Ah yeah 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 yeah. Okay, that's enough. I'm just too silly today. Sorry. I will.
I'm done already. I can do that now.
Wow,
Oh
waiting.
dear.
Take a snapshot just a while, please. Alithia, ready?
Wait, I need to turn on my background.
But the blue one is really clear. Ready? Smile. Smile, coconut.
Green.
Smile. Where's your coconut face?
Mang coconut. What does that even mean?
Oh, that one is not in the middle. Come on. Move a little bit to the right, please, coconut. Okay, ready? Show your coconut face. Okay, cool. Come on.
And I want.
Come on, you can sing now. Oh, I'm sorry, not sing. I mean, you can present now. Ready? One, two, go.
My name is Lydia, and this is my painting. So over here, I drew it like the what's it? Picasso
Picasso.
version.
Okay.
And I I drew a lot of shapes that I like. My favorite one is the cube, like down there. Over here, I use like a lot of colors so I can make it more colorful.
Mm,
Over here, I got boy, because I made David, and then a girl
mm.
with so many colors of the rainbow.
Yeah, that's nice. And then, what else?
So,
How about the object? Are you
oh yeah,
any
the
problem?
object. So the object that I made is a circle, a triangle that is upside down, a star, and then a bacon. I don't know how to color it. It looks like a bacon to me.
Okay.
Another circle, and then this. Oh wait, and this. Is it? I can't find it.
Yeah.
It's okay. Then I drew a blue mountain thingy that is all blue. And then this was a heart, but it was covered.
Mm-mm.
Then I got a cube over here, triangle. I mean a cube, I don't know how to call it. Then I got this another cube. It's like a box to me. So
Mm.
I think that's all.
All right. Wow. Can you tell us something that you learned? Maybe three things that you really learned from this lesson?
I think I think it's about like learning how to draw people's lips.
Okay. Yeah. And then?
And then like making like so many colors like this.
Yeah. That's cool. And
Then making the eyes.
mm-mm. And then, is there anything else that you want to
And
say?
also the eyelashes.
Okay, the eyelashes. Yeah. Okay. How about the background? Is it
Uh,
hard for you to create the background like that?
it was so tiring because my hands are now are
Oh,
tired.
yeah. You know what, Alicia, your painting looks like a masterpiece. If you have some budget, maybe you can buy some frame and put it there, and I'm quite sure that everyone will be so happy to see your painting. And you know what? You can donate your painting to some other place like orphanage, or maybe going to some place like giving to the church. or to your grandma or your grandpa, right, Olivia? I'm sure they will be so happy if you can give them your painting. Mm-mm. Yeah, trust me, your painting is very beautiful. I want you to put it in the book
It's
and
done.
give it to your nanny. I mean your grandma or your grandpa or your some of your cousin or your tante, your yeah, something like that. Yeah, thank you so much, Alithia. You're doing great, Mr. I'll give you 2 thumbs up and 10 stars, and I will give you a lot of coconuts. All right, now we have the last but not the least. This one, Miss Ruth. Are you ready, Ruth? Not yet. It's okay. We're going to wait for you then. How is it, Ruth? Are you ready? Not yet. Oh, you're still painting. Wow, I think today it's really tiring, right? It's really like overwhelming. I'm sorry, guys, but I believe that you can do it. Okay. Sometimes, if you want to be more smarter than others, we need to put our big effort to finish our goal. Okay. How is it, Ruth? Hmm. Okay, I think we still need to wait for Ruth. And while Ruth is doing something, I want Kakak Alithia to sing a song to entertain Ruth, to giving support to Ruth, maybe. Come on. Oh, Ivo, please sing a beautiful song for Ivo, please. Come on,
You
Ivo.
mean Ruth, not me. Not
Ivo, we need to sing some songs so that Ruth can be more enthusiastic to finish her work. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how bright the sun. Play piano. Is it Ivo playing piano?
And
Is that Kakak Alithia?
If anyone can guess those words, then they're
Ivo,
absolutely amazing.
just now you played the piano?
I also play the piano.
Oh, you just surprising. Are you sure that you can play piano, guys?
Mhm.
Okay.
I have taken piano lessons since 160 years.
How about you, Kakatia? When did you learn? I mean, when is it? When,
Careful. I
Uh,
don't fall.
I think for a year, because I think I started playing piano in 2019. I'm not really sure.
oh, you taking a class in your house, like private class, like that?
Uh,
Or you
so
going to
I
some?
now don't. I go to the place
Oh,
instead
you
of
go to the
doing all
place.
do it in home.
I must wear before time is up so I don't fall.
Okay.
I that's I am playing.
Okay. So, how about you, Ruth? Can you play piano? Oh, sorry, I'm just disturbing. Sorry, Ruth. Just keep on going, Ruth. It's okay. We just need to wait. Wow, thank you so much, everyone, for being patient. Our artists now are still working. And then she's now trying to finish up her masterpiece. And please, if you want to get to ask for signature from Ruth, you have to be patient. I'm the manager of Ruth. If you want to get a signature, you can call me first so that Ruth can help you to give her a signature later on. Okay, I'm the manager of Ruth. Please be patient. I know that you guys not cannot wait, but Ruth is the great artist that we have. Come on, Ruth, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Coconut's not is a giant. No, if you eat too much, you will get very bad. Bad. The coconut work for the kitchen floor. If you sit on it, you can break the door. Now the coconut John do not tell this John. If you have some of it, you will have the second
Wait,
floor.
I can play Lavender Blue, but in the piano. Can you sing it while I am playing the piano?
Yes. How about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
I cannot. Ready?
Yes.
And one, two, three, go.
Wow. Bravo. 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 Evo, I give you 2 thumbs up.
Also, it's a hardworking.
Yeah, I can see that you are showing your best performance in playing the piano, the keyboard. Yeah. Oh, you can make it a little bit landscape. I mean portrait, Ruth. Make it portrait, Ruth. Put it the other way around. Yeah, something like that. See? Nice. Yeah, like that, Ruth. Okay, wow. Everyone, please be patient. My artist Ruth will present. If you need some signature, you have to call me first. I'm the manager of Ruth. You have to pay $100 to get Ruth's signature later on, okay? And then I'm also the manager of Evo. If you want my artist to sing, to play piano, you have to buy some ticket and then you have to pay $100 for one performance from Evo. Okay, and Kakatia is also my artist. How is it? Good? Are you done? Ready? Ya, nggak bisa ya. It's okay lah. Maybe you can. Oh, it's okay lah. Maybe. If you, yeah. I know that you're done, but your voices cannot be here. Kakatia, can you hear Ruth saying something?
A tiny bit.
Tiny bit, yeah. Okay, yeah, you can start to present now. It's okay. Ready? You wanna take photo first? Smile, Ruth. Take photo first. Hold your paper. Ready? Wow, that's really cool, man. Smile, Ruth. Where's your face? Where's your coconut face? Smile. Okay, cool. Yeah, you want to present it now? Ready? 1, 2, go.
And I got well some
Cubism, yeah.
I got a some picture and I put the colors in here
Mhm.
and we draw shapes around here and also patterns. I put all the colors scattered around, so it was a hard work.
Okay. Can you tell us something that you learned, Ruth?
I am too long. And also I learned how to be quick.
Okay. Are you happy with the result?
It's fine.
That's fine. Yeah. You happy with that? No, yeah. That's fine. Okay then. Okay. Thank you so much, Ruth. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Okay then. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge to us. Thank you so much, everybody. Now, please ask your mommy to frame your painting. Okay, so that it will looks really nice. Okay, yes, Ruth, you want to say something?
And I just want to get my sushi so squishy like a fish.
I just want what?
Fish.
I cannot hear you. Yeah. Okay, see you again next week, Ruth. Bye bye, Ruth. Bye, Miss
Bye.
Eve. Bye, Miss Evo. Bye, Miss Ruth. See you again next week. Bye bye.